If you've been stopped on the highway and your car was searched when you didn't think it should be, you didn't want it to happen, and they maybe found something in your car that shouldn't have been there and you've been charged with a felony, call me. Many times, people from out of state get in trouble here in South Dakota. It's often on the highway, Interstate 90 coming right past our town. People will get pulled over for a minor traffic infraction. And the policeman, the highway patrolman comes up and talks to him, and you think it's going to be over a minor traffic infraction. When in reality, you're dealing with a drug interdiction officer, and he will try to find a reason to be able to search your car, run a drug dog around the car, ask for search. They often find things, and then they charge people with felonies. We've seen this scenario time and time again. I know how to handle those cases. I know how to examine them deeply to see if there's a violation of your constitutional rights. And if there is, I know how to turn that into a benefit for you where evidence is thrown out and maybe charges are dismissed. Even if there's nothing that can be done by way of a search, there's all kinds of things which can be done by way of a sentence or by way of a plea, and we're no strangers to that either. I like to use the experience I've had to try to get people good results, even if they are in fact guilty of something. And we can work through something and make this horrible event turn into a positive and turn into something that you can come out of so that it doesn't stick with you. I've been breaking up these stops for decades. I know the law about the stops. I know how to find a violation of your constitutional rights if it's there. And if there is such a violation, I can use that to make charges go away. And if I can't make them go away, I can make the situation a lot better than you might think. Call me, Rensch Law.